That means 2 people gonna get a cleanse for free. Hello, my healthy people. Welcome back to Maxinescorner. So, I am excited today. Do you want to know why? Do you want to know why I am so excited? Because today is the day I am announcing the 10-day cleanse giveaway winner. That means 2 people gonna get a cleanse for free. Brought to you by Maxinescorner. Didn't say I was a dancer. I'm only a nutritionist, right? Right? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell. If you didn't win, you can still sign up for the 10-day detox cleanse, and you can also sign up for the 21-day meal plan for weight loss. Yes, I'm gonna leave everything that you're gonna need in the description box. All right, so listen up, guys. I'm really excited about this. Let's go ahead and announce the winners. The first winner is gonna be Gina S. Thank you. And also Angelique Baker. So winners that I just announced, Gina S. and Angelique Baker, get in touch with me, shoot me an email, and I will send out your 10-day cleanse specifically for you. Yes. So congratulations to the winner. And once again, if you didn't win, don't worry about it. I'm going to be having giveaways throughout the whole year, okay? Stay tuned tomorrow. I have a wonderful video for you guys. That video is going to concentrate on grocery shopping, and then after we grocery shop, we're going to meal prep, all right? So that's all I have for Maxinescorner today, guys. Real simple, real easy. Stay tuned tomorrow for your grocery haul, and then the next day it will be meal prepping, all right? So I'll see you guys next time. And what? Say it with me. Say it with me. Stay healthy.